Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can adjust a verbosity level on a Narator feature on Windows 11. So let's start by click on Windows start icon. Then you can click settings. Here you can click on accessibility and find the Narator option. Voice, verbosity, keyboard and braille. You can turn down, you can scroll down and choose verbosity. Here under verbosity option there is a level, verbosity level. Press Narator plus V to change verbosity. Here you can click it. There are 5 options: text only, some control details, all control details, this is the default, some text details and all text details. So you can try to change it as you want. And here you can check this box like emphasize formatted text, read phonetically when reading by character, and by default pause slightly when reading punctuation is on, and read advanced details like help text on buttons and other controls. It also by default change how capitalized text is read is don't announce, but you can try to increase speech or say cap by press Narator plus 4 to change how capitalized text is read. Next, you can try to adjust context level button and control and have Narator announce when I type letters, number, punctuation, words or toggle keys. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.